very much for the session. I was a special educator for a few years back, but I took a break from that and I was focusing on my art as well. But of lately, I'm doing this course and I realize I need to merge this thing, like doing a therapy of art with them, because this really helps them to cool down. As you said, it helps ADHD children, autistic children to express, and they come out with their thoughts very well. They express very well, not with words or numbers, but with art. So yeah, and this was a very good session which I experienced today. Thank you, ma'am, for enlightening.